Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your system. Open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell as administrator so commands run correctly. Once done, identify the drive letter where files were lost and choose a destination on a different drive. This prevents overwriting. You also need to decide the recovery mode based on file system and deletion type. Make sure Windows File Recovery is installed from the store. Now that prerequisites are set, type the basic command skeleton to begin, winfor source, destination, /mode/switches. Now you build the command. This is where precision matters. If the drive was NTFS and files were recently deleted, use regular mode. If fragmented or corrupted, select extensive. Then add filters. Use /n file name or wildcards like asterisk. docx to limit scope and /y to target specific extensions. You can chain multiple /n filters. Once ready, run winfor with the source and destination arguments. Watch the console output for progress and estimated time, and let the tool finish without canceling. Finally, inspect the recovered folder on your destination drive and preview files to confirm integrity. Move valid files to safe storage. If you see few or no results, rerun with broader filters or switch to extensive mode, because more scanning time finds fragmented data. One key troubleshooting tip. If you receive read errors or the drive is unstable, stop and run chkdsk and a smart diagnostic to check hardware. Make sure to recover to a different drive to avoid further loss. Then repeat the process if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.